The Minister for ICT, government officials from the ministry, as well as board members visited Swazi Mobile Premises to look at how ready their data center is.
As the new network provider will start operating soon, the management of Swazi Mobile has invited the Minister of ICT as well as board members for a tour at the network's premises to tour their data center. The Minister, Dumisani Nhlangamandla, says this is a very important event as it is government's mandate to monitor projects it commissions and supports. He says he is happy to see how much progress they have made since his last visit. The minister says he is happy to see that the data center is secured.
In fact, I'm a bit shocked. Ngihambile ama data centers etinzawo letikhona communications. Kepha le data center lena ingimangalisile ngokuthi le size yayo uyibuka nje. Seyinkulu kunalamanye lama data centers lengiwabonile lenge ngahamba kuwo. Lokhu kuliphawu ukuthi Swazi Mobile is here to work. Lesithi ke lokho asimane sikushayele tandla singemaswazi. Singasho ukuthi lalamanye mancane kokuthi kumbe ngeke babe ngetulu kwa Swazi Mobile. Siyathi kokuthi nabo indlela labaqhamuke ngayo bayathi kokuthi it's another generation lekufanele si technology yabo ingasa-focus inyalo ifocus embi.
The owner of Swazi Mobile, Victor Kametse, says the sale of shares is not yet open to the public. He says members of the public will be notified about the details at a later stage.
Ema shares are open, atoba open for emaswati. But yonke into inesikhathi. Yonke into inesikhathi ukuthi makukhona lo fikako aliswati.
Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Lungwelele Makakula with Mbongwa Dube in Babane.